So, we're doing the yoga challenge today. Me and my dog, we're gonna do it together. Beckham, can you cooperate? Wait, I just cooperate? What the heck? That's not even a word. Come on, Beckham, let's do the yoga challenge. Okay? Hey, give me views. I got my doggy here. You don't like being on camera, do you? We're doing the yoga challenge, Beckham. Come on. Beckham. I gotta go get him off the bed now. Alright, so let me look up from. I'll get my dog in a minute. Wait, so yoga stuff poses. I don't know. I'm stupid. Wow. Yeah, no, I ain't giving you my password because I forgot it. Images. I'm gonna go get my dog. Come here, Beckham. We're gonna do some yoga poses together. Come on, Beckham. Oh, look, Beckham, it loaded. Oh, that's a 2. Beckham, sit. Sit, Beckham. Okay, good boy. Which one do you want to do first? Okay. I found one. So, I don't know how to do this basically, but I have to do this. I can't do that. So, but can I prove myself wrong? I did. Wait, did I do it? I don't know. Capture it. Yeah. Pause the video when I say go. Okay, go. Woo, I can't do it for long. This lady's still doing it. You got a gift from God. Jeez Louise. Okay. I'm doing this. This does not look peaceful. It does not. Did I do it? Look at this. I'm going to give you a good 5 seconds. Okay. So now I'm going to try. Beckham, you want to try? He's like, oh. No. My back. I'm too young to be doing this. But this like oh. This one, that one looks hard. So I did it! Oh. Wait. Oh no, she was pointing both hands. When I say go again, freeze frame me or pause it. I did it! I did it! I'm getting my stretches in for the day. Oh, this guy's got talent. Talented boy. This. I can't do that. Can I do this? No. So why am I doing it? I don't know. Because I don't know anything. Again. Ow. No. I can do it. No, I can't. Let's just say I passed it. Yeah, I did it. I did it for like a few milliseconds, but I still did it. Okay, I don't want to do that one. It looks like a frog trying to like go in a race. But oh no. This one. That one looks hard. Wait, so wait, maybe I can do this first. I lifted my feet up in the air so it counts. See? That one's too hard. I need something that's easier. Okay, that's a 2-person. So is that. Oh. Okay. No, that's the wrong one. This one, I guess. Okay. So. Oh, my back. I really am getting old. I did it. Oh, my back. Oh. This is cruel. I'm just a kid. That was a lot. We need more results. Ew. What? How did this lady do that? She put her arms like forward and her legs all the way back. Creepo. I would do it, but I can't. How do I know? Because I'm not flexible. See, look, in PE, I can only do this in PE. Probably because I gotta wear khaki shorts and a belt and a tucked in shirt. But I never keep my shirt tucked in. I just wait till someone tells me to. Then it comes untucked later on. I just leave it. Oh, okay. This looks like a dog asking for a treat. Beckham, you can do this one. Yeah, you can do that one. Beckham, come on. Look. You can do this one. Keep your head up high. No. Sit. There. Look. Now they can see you. Head up high. Yay. Give me a kissy. No. Get like or subscribe because my dog just did it. I mean, you can't even do that. Samp. Okay, so that's it because like all my body parts are like broken now. So I should have done this with Micah yesterday, but I went and I had to come home early because long story short. Yeah. So, I thank you for watching. Oh no, my hair's all messed up. What did I do? Now I look ugly. I'm ugly as a bean. Oh, geez, that's where I hit a rock on my head. Right there. And it was like one of those big ones like that. And I had it above my hand. And it slipped on my hands and hit me in the head. And I got really mad. The phone! Oh, it's someone I don't know. So I go like, hola. 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 I made her so mad that she hanged up. So, bye.